Hey everyone, and welcome to another quick All About RVs video tour. Today I'm checking out this brand new 2025 Voltage 4271 toy hauler fifth wheel by Dutchmen RV. This one was ordered with a 5,500 watt Onan generator. You got a couple batteries in the front compartment, two 30-pound propane tanks, a little storage area across the front, 6-point auto level jack system. Got a large power awning here with LED light strip built in, deep tent safety glass windows. You are going to have two outdoor speakers right here. Enclosed underbelly. You have a quad entrance step going into both entryways. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. This one was ordered with slide out awning covers on top of it as well. It is a triple axle unit. This layout here gives you a front bedroom, a garage that could be used as a bedroom, a little bedroom or extra living room area in the middle. And then you also are going to have two lofts in here that you could use for sleeping or extra storage. This one was ordered with a camera on the back, nice little patio deck system. You have the 3-season door feature. Let's step on up in here and check it out. So in here, you're going to have a half bath. Now this has a little folding wall set up that kind of works as a wall and a door, but it goes back against the wall so you get more room in here for your toy when traveling. You do have washer dryer hookups over here. You could do a combo or stackable washer dryer. Porcelain commode, little sink and medicine cabinet area there, prepped for a camera system. A very nice door here to separate the rooms. You have kind of a rubber floor here with multiple D-rings in it. Obviously, you can see we have this in seat mode, but that will make a bed. There's also a table that goes there. You have an upper bunk as well, and that can be pinned up against the ceiling if you need to walk room, if you're not wanting to use it as a bed. You're going to also have a couple speakers back here, TV hookups back here. Let's get out here for a second so you can see this a little better. Does have a little ladder on the side so you can get up onto your roof to do your roof inspections and stuff. This was also ordered with a fuel station so you can take fuel with you and also use that for your generator. Nice little living room area. Theater seats set up there. You have a little bench area over here. You could set up a couple extra little stools here. Nice large smart TV, stereo system over there. And you have a loft up here. Couple speakers in the living room. Got 3 ACs on this. So one in the garage, one in this section, one in the bedroom as well. Ducted setup. You're going to have a large Furrion 12-volt fridge, big Furrion microwave, Greystone oven down below, 3-burner gas cooktop. But what do you guys think of this? Do you like these beautiful solid surface countertops? Do you like the wood colors and stuff that they're using, furniture colors? What do you think of the look of the Dutchmen Voltage here? Going on a little further forward, we are running into the little bonus room. This could be, again, a bedroom or a second living room, whatever you want to use it for. But that sofa will make into a bed. That is on a slide out. In here, you're going to have TV hookups over here. You also have multiple dresser drawers here. Heat and AC in this room is ducted down through here. Sliding door for privacy. Now up above this room is also a loft. A very nice little setup up here you could use for extra storage or sleeping capacity. A little ladder that goes up to that section. Large windows here that overlook the awning side of the RV, your door side. You're gonna have your electric box with your breakers and fuses here. You will also have, slide buttons here, awning buttons here, light switches, tank heaters for cold weather camping, generator fuel, your start-stop meter for the generator, monitor panel for your holding tanks. So it's all easy to get to. Going up a little further, you are going to have your bathroom and your master bedroom area. So right here you have a porcelain foot flush toilet, nice little sink area, step-in shower, adjustable shower bar, a little flip down seat, skylight up above, and again AC and heat both in this area too. Again, on-demand water heater controls are right in here. But a nice little setup there. And then your main bedroom is located right here also. So you got quite a bit of overhead cabinet space and shelf space up there, little end tables, electric outlets and USB charger ports. Depending on how the unit was ordered, a lot of these outlets are prepped for what they refer to as inverter prep. So you can put an inverter in the RV and run them off of battery power basically. It'll take your 12 volt power, juice it up to 110 and allow you to run some stuff. But not every dealer buys it with the inverter setup. However, it is always prepped for it. Storage underneath of there as well. TV hookups in here. But a very cool unit for the family, especially for you full-timers that are traveling around, need something large with multiple bedrooms and stuff. This could definitely do something like that. Basically kind of acts as 3 bedrooms and a loft, a couple lofts. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Check them out at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Let's hop outside real quick, run around and show you the other side, just so you can kind of get an idea what the outside of the other side looks like. I forgot to do that. This has the Kurt Rotoflex pin box on it also. Nice little LED lights built in. It is a detachable 50 amp power cord there for you. See right here, it tells me the RV weighed 15,280 pounds dry, 20,000 pound gross weight, ST 235/80 R16 G range tires. Gonna have a nice little docking station area right there, controls for your auto level jacks. But again, guys, what do you think of this thing? Let me know in the comments down below. Beautiful unit here. Fuel station, all that good stuff right there. Again, check them out, Couch's RV Nation.